Okay, this is my Angry Bird party setup. Let me get closer. Those are paper birds that I made out of paper. Cupcakes on an Angry Bird stand. I have balloons back there for each child. Party bags. There's popcorn, marshmallows, and Cheerios in separate bowls. And I have the plates and cups and napkins underneath the plates. Because, you know, kids tend to grab each other's napkins. That way when they're done, there are napkins under their plate and they're ready to go. And I also have some, instead of a piñata, I have some little treat boxes there that I made out of paper towel rolls. Let me get closer. Oh, and I just hung some streamers down the bottom of the table with tape. That's my daughter. Okay, let's see. That, and basically I used a lot of stickers for lots of things. I have stickers on the bags. And balloons. Marshmallows. And this is a stand that I got from my son's Angry Bird game. Just, you know, it's prop, and I put some of the pigs up there as well. That. And my son loves the red bird. Sorry, it's kind of out of focus there. I'll show you the birds again. Alright, and that's my video on the Angry Bird party setup. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're curious about how I made any of these things, message me and I'll get back to you about that. Subscribe. Thank you.